वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम की बैठक और इस बैठक में एमटीसी ग्रुप के मनोज मेहता और यश मेहता ने महाराष्ट्र के पहले सर्कुलर इकोनॉमी पार्क के लिए साइन किए गए एमओयू और इससे रीसाइक्लिंग अर्थव्यवस्था पर पड़ने वाले प्रभाव पर चर्चा की। एमटीसी ग्रुप के निदेशकों से बातचीत की टाइम्स नेटवर्क की श्रीजा एमएस ने। सुनते हैं इस बातचीत के कुछ खास अंश।
Well, here we are right outside the Maharashtra Pavilion, and joining us, of course, the leadership of the MTC Group. Thank you for speaking to Times Network. You've just stepped out of the pavilion and you've signed the MOU with Maharashtra as well. Now, what does that mean? What is the next step from here on?
So this is first of its kind in country, and this has been a dream project for Narendra Modi with Niti Aayog driving this, and this has to be implemented India-wide, and this will be first of its kind, one of the biggest in India in terms of the circular economy park, which we have just signed today with government of Maharashtra, and they have promised us for the allotment, and with public and private partnership we are going to take this ahead. Already Mitsui Japan is part of our MTC group, which is partnering us in this.
Okay, great. Moving to the next question to you. We really don't see very often they talk about such topics, right? The most important ones, in fact. And this also aligns with the WEF goals as well. We're talking about sustainability. And here you are signing the MOU with the Maharashtra government. Taking that forward, the question forward with you, how do you see or how do you plan on to achieve that goal now that you've signed the MOU with the Maharashtra government?
So today's focus is circularity, sustainability, and we all need to contribute to achieve that, right?
So there is a strong emphasis.
Absolutely, and this is the first kind of circular economy park which we are opening in Maharashtra, and followed by that we'll be starting with all the metropolitan cities across India, and this will be a game changer for the whole recycling industry and the recycling economy as well. So we already have 30 centers, but this will be a separate park which will be in partnership with the government of each state in that way, and each state will give a push to that particular state to bring that waste to our facility and to recycle in the right manner.
Okay, so any plans in terms of partnering with more governments?
Of course, now we already met with the Tamil Nadu government here, we met with the Andhra Pradesh government here, and we have also met with the Uttar Pradesh, and they were really keen to understand the circular economy park, and then I think in next 2 to 3 years we are going to having 6 total circular economy park in India.
Okay, do we know the worth of the MOUs?
So
worth is around 1,000 crores.
Right. All right. Thank you for speaking to Times Television Network.
Thank you.
Thank you.